Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really useful for you. Ever felt annoyed by those pesky suggested posts on Instagram? Well, you're not alone. Stick around because in this video, we'll show you how to turn off those suggested posts and declutter your Instagram feed once and for all. So, let's get started. Instagram's suggested post feature can be a blessing for creators, but let's face it, seeing random posts that don't interest you can be pretty irritating, right? First things first, what are these suggested posts? They're basically random posts from users that Instagram thinks you might like based on your interactions on the platform. Great for finding cool profiles, but not so great when you just want a clean feed. Now the sad news is you can't completely disable suggested posts on Instagram. But don't worry, we've got some tricks to help you out. The first trick is snoozing individual suggested posts. Here's how you do it. When you see a suggested post you don't like, tap the X button, then select Snooze all suggested posts in feed for 30 days. Easy peasy. But wait, there's more. If you want to avoid suggested posts altogether, head to your Instagram feed, tap on the logo, then hit following. That way, you'll only see posts from people you follow. No more random stuff cluttering your feed. Now, let's talk about turning off suggested posts. 2 simple methods for you. If you see a suggested post you don't like, tap the X button and choose Don't Suggest Posts from Account Name. Done! No more suggestions from that account. Scroll to the end of your feed until you see you're all caught up. Find the suggested posts, tap the 3 dots next to the user's name, choose Not Interested, and Instagram will show you fewer suggestions from that account. Simple, right? Ever wondered how Instagram knows what to suggest? It's not random. Instagram considers your activity, engagement with posts, and interactions with accounts to offer a customized experience. There's a lot happening behind the scenes. In conclusion, while you can't completely ditch suggested posts, these tricks will help you manage and minimize them. So snooze, hide, and repeat until your feed is just the way you like it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's declutter our feeds together. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.